So, slight change of plans. Slight change of plans. The operator I have down at Indian Harbor had something come up at his house he has to take care of right away. So while he's doing that, I'm gonna run down here to Indian Harbor and do a little rock breaking while I wait.
I can do this.
For him to get back so that that can still move ahead, because an idle machine that's fixed doesn't do anybody any good if it's sitting.
Right.
And we need to make money, because I just spent a bunch of money on it. It cost $1,000 for that bolt in the carriage for the breaker. So yeah, it needs to be pounding rock. I'm gonna head down there and do some rock pounding and see what we get into. All right, here we go again.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn
bad! It's been a while since I had to do this. But with Steve out doing what he's got to do, kind of don't have a choice if I want things to move ahead down here, and I do. We have a lot of rain coming, so I'd rather not wait. I'd rather not wait and have nothing going on down here.
And the best part of this plan is, no one can stop me.
While he's doing his thing, I'll do this, and then when he gets back, he can take back over. And I don't have the right key on me. All right, got the right key now. Let's get this thing fired up. That's hard. here because it was busting up.
Yes! That's awesome!
That's a little better. Get that broke up. Although it feels pretty solid underneath that. We'll see what happens here in a minute. If I can't get this to shoot a little bit. When it goes to powder like that. All I'm trying to do now is just work it along in a line. See if I can't create a fracture. But I don't think that's gonna work. That clump seems to be going down and over to that side. It's pretty solid. I might have to just try taking smaller pieces.
One eternity later.
There it goes. This piece right here.
exhibit.
Brake, you bugger, brake. It wants to. I can see it. It wants to snap.
What?
The problem here is this is the biggest hammer I can get in here because of the access to the site. So I can't get a bigger machine and bigger hammer in here than what's here now, which is unfortunate. So I'm either gonna be able to do it or I'm not. The stuff up there, like I said, I can get into. This stuff here on this bridge just doesn't want to bust up. Just go in the powder. Which is not ideal. So that was just the general contractor. The guy that we're doing the work through for his customer. Just coming down to check in on progress and see how the rock was breaking up. Just gave him a bit of a heads up on what's going on and how it's going. It sounds like they're going to go ahead with continuing this for now.
All right.
Their customers in Germany, and just from talking with him, I guess the house itself is on stilts. The house is on stilts. And this is going to be for a cistern for water underneath of the house. Because the well they attempted to drill beside me comes up with nothing but salt water.
What?
Which, I mean, is not overly surprising. Or just saying, if this does break up, great. If it doesn't, move on to the next spot. Oh yeah, she's all shaky. Well, see that? That's not good. That's where it's wet.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
That is where it's wet. It is a little bit wet around that too. I could grab the thing and see if I could tighten that up any.
Well, that might be a problem.
I'm gonna say he's gonna need a hammer hose. Alright. So this day doesn't appear to be getting any better at all.
I don't care.
Alright. So I am gonna go call the operator and let him know that he needs another hose. Because you're not gonna continue like that. And I'll get a hold of the mechanic. And today is just all kinds of fun. Let's see if I can find a hose. Today could just end, and I'd be okay with that.
I can't lie!
To be honest. Alright, I'm gonna go sort this out. So on that note, I am going to get out of here and get back to what I should be doing, which is quoting more work. Anyway. It is Wednesday and I'm ready for this week to be over. I'm gonna head back now and try to get some other stuff done while they figure out this stuff and go from there. And that's about all I can say right now, because anything else I say will end up getting me either A, demonetized, or B, restricted. So we'll be back later. So to say that this rock breaking site is trying my patience is an understatement. So we blew a hose. Well, we didn't blow it, but it was leaking. We had it repaired. Now the other side went.
Nice.
And the other side wasn't married up at all. Anyway, they're going for another hose now. I'm on my way back down, just run over the site with Steve again. We haven't really had a very good go of it down there, so we'll see if we can't get it back on track a little bit. And yeah, anyway, putting a lot of kilometers on the Ford this week.